Okay, I want to show you quickly how to interpret the residuals. So suppose we want to determine the association between daily deaths per 100,000 people and the percent fully vaccinated by state. So here is our data set. And those are the two variables that we're wanting to analyze. So we first run the regression, and I'm assuming we know how to run the regression, and we would actually naturally want to look at the scatter plot first, but all this lesson is really going to be about is how to compute that residual. So we run the regression. You can remove any unwanted entries like the United States or DC. And then here is our equation, daily deaths per 100,000, 1.464 minus 0.0205% fully vaccinated. And we can round that to 2 decimal places or whatever the test or project say. And here is the scatter plot of that with the regression line put over there. So use the regression equation to predict the daily death rate per 100,000 if a state's vaccination rate was 59%. So it would be prudent to show your work on this, as I often have. So there's our equation, and we go ahead and just pop in the 59 into the percent fully vaccinated. Now notice it's already a percent, so we don't need to convert 59% to 0.59. So just put 59 in, and you're going to get 0.28. So this is off a little bit due to rounding. I rounded that regression equation in 2 places, particularly that slope area. If you didn't round it, if you actually used StatCrunch to determine that predicted value, you get 0.254. We'll just use 0.28 for this. And again, so there is our point on the model, that red line. So our model predicts the daily death rate of 0.28, and there it is over there on the y-axis, so you know where we're getting those numbers visually. And here the next question says, recall the residual is the observed minus the predicted. So how well did our model do? So find the residual for the prediction for Oregon's daily death per 100,000. So why didn't I choose Tennessee, the state where I'm from? It was too close to the line. It was actually almost dead on. So that would have been a little tough to look at. So I just picked Oregon, 59%. So we're going to look at this. You go back to the data set, look at the table, and peel that value off. It's 0.5. And so again, there it is on the graph. It's at 0.5. We have the predicted value. That was already there. And then there's our observed value. And the residual is just that difference. Okay, so we're going to do the residual is observed minus predicted. And so just pop the numbers in. So 0.5 minus 0.28, and we get a residual of 0.22. So our model predicts a daily death per 100,000 as 0.22 lower than was actually observed. Okay, so I hope that